Hello everyone, let's create this edge glitch transition in Premiere Pro. I already added 2 clips to my timeline. First, go to the project window and create a new adjustment layer. Then, right-click the adjustment layer, go to Speed Duration, and set the duration to 2 frames by typing 2, then click OK. Now, drag the adjustment layer to the track above the videos and position it 1 frame before the cut. Then, select the adjustment layer and go to the Effects panel to add a few effects. First, search for Find Edges, then double-click on it to apply. Next, add VR Glow, and finally, add Noise. Now, go over to Effect Controls. Under Find Edges, check Invert. Then, under VR Glow, set Luma Threshold to 0 and Glow Brightness to 2. Under Noise, set Noise Amount to 25%, then uncheck Use Color Noise. Next, we're going to duplicate this adjustment layer by holding the Alt key and placing it at the end of the first adjustment layer, like this. Then, select the duplicated adjustment layer, go over to Effect, search for Invert, and double-click on it to apply. Now, we're going to duplicate the first adjustment layer again by holding Alt, clicking, dragging, and placing it after the second adjustment layer. Make sure to leave a 1-frame gap after the second adjustment layer. Next, right-click on the third adjustment layer, go to Speed and Duration, and set the duration to 6 frames by typing 6, then click OK. Now, hold the Alt key, duplicate the third adjustment layer, and place it before the first adjustment layer, but make sure to leave a 1-frame gap before the first adjustment layer. That's it! We have successfully created the edge glitch transition. If you have any questions, comment below, and I will reply as soon as possible, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.